Hey everyone, welcome back to Affinity with Creative Grid. In this video, we'll learn how to create a new document in Affinity. Whether you want to start from a preset, a template, or customize everything from scratch, the process is super simple. When you open Affinity, you'll be greeted by the welcome dialog. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to begin a project. On the top left, if you click on your account name, you can manage your account settings and license. Now, let's look at the tabs. Home tab. This is the main dashboard or landing page. You'll usually see featured content, design options, presets, and some tutorials. Recent tab. Here, you'll find the designs and projects you recently worked on. Great for quick access. Learn tab. This section connects you to tutorials and learning resources. You can explore lessons and even download some tutorials directly. My Templates tab. This is where all your saved templates live, perfect for recurring projects or branded layouts. Favorites tab. Often called starred content, this is where you'll find anything you've marked as your favorite, designs, fonts, photos, elements, and more. On the right side of the screen, you'll see three icons: Home, Files, and New Document. The Home icon takes you back to the welcome screen. The Files icon lets you open existing Affinity documents, raster images, or vector files. And the New Document icon opens the new document setup. Click on the New Document button to start creating a new file. The New Document dialog gives you presets as well as full customization options. Let's go through each setting. Document units. This is where you choose how measurements appear: pixels, points, picas, or physical units. DPI. This sets your document resolution. For web, use 72 dpi. For print, use 300 dpi. Page width and page height. Here, you set the size of your document. Color format. Choose between RGB, gray, CMYK, or lab. Color profile. This sets the color gamut for your chosen color mode. Transparent background. Turn this on if you want your page to have a transparent background. Artboards. Enable this to create a single artboard in your new document. Image placement. Choose whether placed images should be embedded or linked. Import text files as linked. When enabled, text files placed into your document will remain linked instead of embedded, so they can be edited outside Affinity. Preserve text styles. Turn this on to keep the original text styles when importing text files. If you're creating a multi-page document, here are your options. Arrange. Choose horizontal or vertical page arrangement. Start on. Select where the first page begins. Number of pages. Set how many pages you want. Default master. When enabled, a blank master page is automatically created. Margins let you set the non-printable area of your document. You can adjust the left, right, top, and bottom margins. These appear as blue guidelines, helping you stay within safe printing boundaries. Next is bleed settings. Here, you can set bleed values for the left, right, top, and bottom edges, which is useful for print design. At last, the drawing scale option. This feature is great for architectural plans or engineering drawings. When enabled, all measurements, grids, and rulers will display real-world scaled values. Once everything is set, click the Create Document button. And just like that, your new document is ready. If you ever want to access the welcome dialog again, just click the Affinity icon in the top left of the application. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design guides, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. And don't forget to explore the channel for more Affinity tutorials, workflows, and creative tips. See you in the next video.